What if the moon were twice as big? At first, it sounds like nothing more than a beautiful upgrade to our night sky, a brighter, larger silver disk watching over us. But the moment this oversized moon rises, everything changes. The oceans begin to move with a new, violent rhythm, storms grow restless, and the very ground beneath your feet starts to tremble. This isn't just a minor adjustment to the cosmos. This is a shift that would rewrite the rules of life on Earth. And here's the real twist. By the end of this video, you'll learn about the one terrifying consequence no scientist would ever want to see. A chain reaction that could wipe entire coastlines off the map forever. Right now, our moon is about 3,474 kilometers wide and sits roughly 384,000 kilometers away, gently pulling at our oceans to create tides and helping to stabilize Earth's axial tilt. It's quiet, dependable, and in many ways, a protector of life. But doubling its size changes the game completely. A bigger moon would mean much stronger gravity acting on Earth. Tides would surge, weather would shift, and the balance we've known for billions of years would shatter. This isn't just a visual change, it's a physical, geological, and biological upheaval waiting to happen. And to understand the chaos ahead, we need to start with the very first hours after this massive moon appears. Within hours, the most noticeable change would hit our coastlines. Tides, which now rise and fall gently, would become monstrous walls of water. Imagine waves several times higher than anything recorded in history, charging inland like unstoppable beasts. Entire beaches would vanish in a single night. Coastal cities like New York, Rio de Janeiro, or Tokyo could see flooding on a scale that modern infrastructure can't handle. Low-lying nations such as the Maldives or Bangladesh might be submerged completely. The gravitational pull from the giant moon would tug at the ocean so violently that the rhythm of daily life in fishing towns, ports, and seaside communities would be obliterated. And this is only the beginning of the chaos. The moon's stronger gravitational pull wouldn't stop at the oceans. It would begin affecting the Earth's crust, triggering more frequent and intense earthquakes. Areas sitting on tectonic fault lines, like Japan, California, or Turkey, could experience constant seismic activity. Beneath the surface, magma chambers would be stirred, leading to more volcanic eruptions. The sky would turn unpredictable, with storms fed by the extreme heating and cooling caused by violent tidal shifts. Hurricanes could grow in size and frequency, smashing into weakened coastlines already battling rising seas. The moon, once a silent guardian, would now be a constant threat looming above, its beauty masking the chaos it brings. Nights would never be the same. A moon twice as big would cast an intense glow, almost like perpetual twilight, making true darkness rare. For nocturnal animals, from owls to bats, this light pollution would disrupt hunting and survival patterns. Entire ecosystems could collapse as prey and predator behaviors break down. Humans wouldn't escape the impact either. Our sleep cycles depend on darkness, and the constant lunar glow would lead to chronic insomnia, stress, and weakened immune systems. But the most alarming effect? The moon's amplified pull could subtly alter the length of Earth's days, even if just by fractions of a second. Over time, this could disrupt climate patterns and farming cycles, threatening our food supply. Here's the truth. For the moon to be twice as big, it would almost certainly have to be closer to Earth, and that closeness would be dangerous. Earth's gravity would slowly pull it inward over millions of years until it reached a breaking point. The moon could then shatter under tidal forces, creating a brilliant ring system like Saturn's. Beautiful to look at, but deadly in reality. Pieces of the moon would rain down as constant meteor showers, burning up in the atmosphere or slamming into the surface. The result would be an unending cycle of destruction, making Earth's surface a dangerous place for life as we know it. But here's the consequence scientists truly fear: the destabilization of Earth's axial tilt. Right now, the moon keeps our tilt steady at about 23.5 degrees, giving us mild, predictable seasons. A moon twice as big could overcompensate or shift the tilt wildly, leading to extreme, unpredictable seasons. Imagine roasting summers where crops die in weeks, followed by winters so cold that rivers and oceans freeze solid. Entire civilizations would collapse, unable to adapt fast enough. And yet, as terrifying as that sounds, an even stranger question remains. What if, instead of one giant moon, we suddenly had two moons battling for control over our planet? That's a story for another day. If you want to see exactly how that insane two-moon scenario would play out, the chaos, the beauty, and the ultimate fate of our planet, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications right now. And while you're here, drop a comment. Would you want a bigger, brighter moon lighting up the night, or would you prefer the quiet, steady guardian we have now? Your answer might just inspire our next What If episode.